Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to um, add your website into Google Search Console and add it into the sitemap. So what this would do is this would increase the SEO of your website. SEO is search engine optimization, meaning that your site will be easily found on Google, and sitemap is when your website is connects to the Google database basically, and when people search for something, they can find it because they can search for something about your website. They can find it on because of the sitemap. You would need to wait for probably about 30 to 60 days to see some results on the sitemap and see actually some information. But let's get it started and show you exactly how to do it. So first off, when you log in, you have to look for Google Search Console here on Google, and just go and click on the first one, and it's going to open the same page here. So you'll see this screen, and you click Start Now. Click Start Now. You'll see this this particular domain name here, domain and URL prefix. Here you need to enter your current domain name of your Shopify store. So my current domain is wearelumen.com. You can't enter HTTPS or www. Just enter whatever it is, your domain, without the HTTPS. And you click Continue basically, and it's going to say checking verification. Now you see the first step here is number 1, sign into your domain provider, GoDaddy or whichever it is, and number 2, you see copy text below, or DNS configuration, wearelumen. So you copy this one basically, copy this code, and all you do is you go into your host provider. Mine is bluehost.com, and I'll show you right now what to do. So you log in basically. So here I am logged in into my provider. You can just Control F and just do DNS, and it will show DNS zone editor or whichever it is. It will say either DNS management or DNS something like connected to DNS. It should be only one. Click on here, and you will be brought to a page like this, and you're just gonna select your domain because you might have like 10 domains. You can just select only this one. So because my domain is connected to hosting provider other than Shopify, when it's Shopify, it's a different story. It's easier. You just go into Shopify settings and DNS on here, and you'll be able to add your domain to the be able to add your DNS settings over here. But because mine is through HostGator, I'll need to go into the domain here and just basically whatever it says add DNS record. This will apply to even Shopify, so any hosting provider. I just leave host records with add, and then you see that points to here. That points to basically is this text here. Just copy it here, points to, and then when you see type here, just change it to TXT, so see text, and have it there, and then click add record. When you click add record, you will see basically your record over here. It will add right here. So this is Google site verification. It's in below the text section here. And when you do this, when you click verify here, you see that the first thing that you see is this basically. It says ownership verification fail. It takes about 30 minutes to an hour. Mine took it took about 30 minutes the last time. So I'm going to stop the video and show you when it's already verified. And here we are. We basically have our domain verified now. It's been about 30 minutes, I'd say, for the verification to start and to process. I'm under my original account right now. So this is what I have done here. So basically, what you'll see here is just overview and just these clocks here because you don't have any data yet. So you need to, as I said, 30 to 60 days, and you'll be able to see some data. You might be a week as well. You see some like minimal data over here. So that's it. That's how to add your domain into the Google Search Console. That's as easy as that. And the next step to make sure that your website is added to the Google sitemap is basically you need to click on sitemaps here. You see that I already added mine here just so I could do it as a test, but I'll add it again. So your sitemap is usually your domain name. We are Lumen. It's mine. Your domain name slash sitemap.xls. That's your sitemap. Usually it doesn't change. I don't think it will change for you. It's the same. So you can just copy this. So whatever your domain name is here.com at sitemap.xls, with your domain name you have here, just change that with your domain name and just click submit. And you submit it, you'll see that it's going to show right here if it shows. There we go. It says couldn't fetch because I already have added it here on my side as a sitemap. So that's basically how you can add your sitemap and how you can add your website to the Google search console to make sure that your website will be shown on Google basically. So let me know in the comments below what you want to see, or if you found that this is something that it helped you. Let me know, because I'm going to be making some more videos in the future as well.